Duncan's European Automotive is worth shining a spotlight on. And one of the favorite things is noticing the little moments that maybe even the team themselves overlook. That's kind of my superpower, noticing the unnoticed.
There's more of a team effort going on here. It's a lot less stressful when you know that somebody's got your back or can step out. I haven't heard anybody here say that's not my job. I've seen guys cleaning cars and I've seen how to grab parts. So we all try to do it as a team. And I think that makes it a lot easier, a lot more family, a lot less stressful.
It's the freedom Ben gives his crew, trusting they'll get the job done and knowing if they need help, they'll ask. It's the random Friday barbecue lunches, burgers on the grill, everyone's laughing, paired with the fact that Fridays are half days here. They start their weekend early and you can feel the energy in the shop. It really makes a difference. The jokes, the music, the inside moments that show just how comfortable and close everyone is.
Double or nothing. All right.
Duncan's really is a well-oiled task force. It's the events, and not just the ones that I help plan, but the way everyone shows up. That says a lot about the culture DEA has built here.
I'm teaching a new generation how to work on cars. And also, the food's a benefit too.
It's also dog-friendly. That alone is an easy sell for me. Kind of perks you'd expect from a big corporation, except this isn't a big corporation. This is a small business, and maybe that's the golden ticket.